Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, in which we are, we're part of the Unholy Alliance. It's a great little alliance. It's a fabulous little alliance. This episode is going to be brought to you by, what's it called? It's going to be infrastructure. It's going to be brought to you by infrastructure. Infrastructure for when you really just need more minerals. Let's go. So we're currently missing some influence. We're only getting 2 influence. That's fine though, actually. But this is it's pretty much just going to be like, okay, we have enough minerals to do something worthwhile. Sweet, let's do something worthwhile. Okay. On that note, I just want to click escape to pull out of that. I'm just going to hope that this sector is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, they actually have minerals. You know what? I can't believe I'm going to do this. Here, have 100 minerals. Just do something with it, okay? Just do something. Okay, cool. Anyway, construction chip. Build me... Which one are you? No, the other one. Okay. Down here. Do we want... I think we want science. Research station. Go. Let's finish our mandate and then go from there.
Complete.
Construction complete. Okay.
Construction complete.
Are you upgrading your own stuff? I think it may be. Construction chip Da Vinci. Interesting. I didn't know they made their own construction chips. Why would you do that? You don't actually need one. Oh no, you do. This thing never got improved. Interesting. Okay. Murano has finished its construction queue. Okay, cool. No, what we actually want is... Okay, yeah, we have the... Ooh, no. We need a level 3 upgrade to our thing. We will get that eventually. At this point, let's get our infrastructure going. Scientist Leonardo Candiano has leveled up. Hey. Now level 5. Where is Leonardo Candiano? Where's Leonardo Candiano? Yeah, he's busy surveying Trium. Okay. Where's that? Can I go to? There, like a... Oh, here. Oh yeah, he's over here. Okay, perfect. Good little scientist. Good little scientist. Okay. Oh, and so in Venezia, we're gonna do a little something here. Surface. We are going to take this power plant and we are going to replace it with a Betharian power plant. It's gonna produce so much more. It's gonna be just really, really great for us. So the power plant itself is only getting us +3. This is gonna be getting us +6. Also, we have a power hub, so that's gonna be getting multiplied as well. And we're Venetian, so frickin' there you go. So, Betharian power plant, go. Do we have a second Betharian yet? Not yet. We're working on it, though. Meanwhile, also in Venezia, because it's already populated out, how is our... Okay, -1 food. That's annoying, but what are you gonna do? But it seems to be okay. I mean, they're relatively happy. It says -1 food, but I don't see anything going wrong, so we'll just ignore that for now. Okay. I was gonna say I was going to upgrade this power plant, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna let the other Betharian roll in, and then I'm gonna throw a Betharian power plant on this. All of our Betharian stuff is gonna go on Venezia because we're never gonna lose it. And I found out something really annoying. If you don't supply your if you put a Betharian power plant, something that requires Betharian, into a sector, you actually have to put a source of Betharian in the sector. Why can't I just get, like right now, I have Betharian over here. We must have little ships carrying it all the way over here to Venezia, so that we can have this thing on Venezia. Why can't we just do that with sectors? Why can't we just do that with sectors? Anyway, I'm just gonna quit. It's gonna quit. So I'm just gonna make sure that all of our Betharian goes straight to our capital, or like another planet that I just have absolutely no intention of ever giving up. So until then, actually, I'm going to upgrade this building, this mining network, and now we're out of... And this is how this episode's going to go. And now we're out of minerals. Until next time. Okay. Orbital research mandate failed. What? Oh, fulfilled. Yeah, okay. As per President Sylvester Tribunal's mandate, we've gained 101 influence. Excellent. That's so nice. Okay, yeah. Unfamiliar Grand Duchy has declared Teutonic order their rival. You know, I think we just have to go to war with these guys. Their equivalent. What would people accept here? Let's say I want Gillis, actually. That's the thing that I want. Let's say I take Menok. I just want Menok. Seed planet Magrutosh. Menok. Okay. Oh, everybody would just go for that. They like it. They're completely fine with it. And then let's just what's it called? Liberate Trenic. Actually, I wonder if they just let me take Trenic. Yeah, they totally let it. Yeah, they're fine with that. Screw that. Let's take the capital. Yeah, they'd go for that. Oh, hang on, no. You know what else they'd do? Yeah, they would... Okay, everybody would vote for me just swallowing the Hanfalier Grand Duchy. Whew. Not yet, though. I'm not there yet. I am not there yet. You know what would actually get us a little bit of influence? I think, you know what would be really, really good? You know what, Castile? We're never going to be friends. Like, not ever. And you got some really nice desert-loving dudes. And we're going to declare a rivalry. Yeah, this is only worth plus 0.8 influence per month. I don't know. An earlier thing said it was plus 1.2, and now it's plus 0.8, and I don't know what the deal is with. Okay, so yeah. I never knew Venetians were so treacherous. Well, there you go. So they are now my rival. Space Poland wants... Oh, they have an embassy with us. That's cool. They probably just don't want to get swallowed. And the Papal States has declared the British Republic their rival. Oh, man. Oh, man. If I could have... Can I end a rivalry? If I could end a rivalry and then declare the Papal States my rival. Oh, it's too late. I can't... Can only have 3 rivals. Oh. At some point, you know what we may do? We'll just swallow the Hanfalier Grand Duchy. That'll make one of my rivalries go away, and then I'll just rival the Papal States. And we'll just get the British... We'll just get the Brits in. It'll be great. Yeah, everybody wants them in. Just need someone to invite them. Okay, construction ship. Okay, one of these construction ships is ready to go. Why don't you build this? Oh, no. Won't you build me this mining station? Thank you. And yes, okay, that's something that I just noticed. There is, in fact, a system in my territory that I have not finished surveying. So when that guy is done up there, he'll wander over. The British Republic has declared the Papal States their rival. Oh, hang on. Teutonic Order has declared the Aztec Empire their rival. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go to war with the Aztecs. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be a while. I don't think we're ready for it yet. Venezia. Another thing that I want... We just picked up a Betharian thing, right? A new source of Betharian stone. I think we're going to replace this. Can we do it now? Yeah, we can. 60 minerals. Oh, yeah. Feel the money. Feel it. The Teutonic Order would like to establish an embassy. We're already in the same alliance, but that's okay. And the Aztec Empire has declared the Teutonic Order their rival. Okay. We're all gonna be rivals here real quick. Like, we're all gonna have the same rivals here pretty quick. Big Blue Blob hates the Handful of Grand Duchy. Forlanini completed the construction of a mining station. Okay, good, 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 good. Our, construction ships are being lazy. Oh, basic combat rolls. Nice. 2, good. Now, Cold Fusion Power is gonna take forever. Actually, all these are. Subspace sensors will give us a better chance to hit. Cold Fusion Power would be awfully nice, but I'm gonna go for a Disruptor. Yeah, plus 100% shield damage. Do it. 70 months. Gosh, our physics research is abysmal. Actually, it's kind of catching up. Our research is abysmal. How's that? Yeah, how's that sound? Okay. Okay, so we have... Let's build another mining station here. We have enough for 2 mining stations. I love how this works. It's just... Okay. We have the minerals? Sweet. Build another mining station. Oh, we have more minerals? Sweet. Build another mining station. Pretty much how this is gonna go. Build a mining station. Okay. And Teutonic Order has declared Space Poland their rival. Well, guess what? I'll let you take them over. It's fine. System survey complete. And system survey complete. What'd you find? What'd you find? Nothing I didn't already know. We got a couple Arctic worlds that we might do something with. It's actually not a bad system. These are some... It's a pretty nice area. We will have to see what we can do. Continental world. We can actually... Don't forget, we can settle both of these. We can settle in here. And that may pick us up Shaula. And if we settle there with the Continentals, we can open it up. Our people won't be as happy there, but we can open it up for the space platypuses to, yeah, to settle there as well. And we'll have space platypuses in our systems, and that'll be glorious. Okay, Space Poland and the Teutonic Order are mutual rivals. If they decide to go to war with Space Poland, I'll totally go with them. If they're like, I want all their stuff, I'll be like, yeah, sure, you should have their stuff. Oops, research complete. Excellent. Mineral processing. Oh, so good. Advanced spaceport. Or better armor. We're gonna keep getting advanced spaceport. It's just gonna keep coming at us. I'm just gonna go ceramo metal armor. It's gonna be quick, and it's gonna be something that we can automatically upgrade our stuff to. Just immediately. Oh, the Da Vinci is... There you go. Do what you gotta do. Pick up those minerals. And our construction ships are done. Hey, we have the... What's it called? We have the minerals to actually do another mining station or 2. Where are you? Another mining station. Go right there. Here you go. We're doing it. We're doing it. Hey, Venice. Come here. We have detected the presence of a pre-space civilization on Skarenvak. They are in an early industrial age with electricity and internal combustion engines gradually coming into widespread use. I believe that's here. Yes. Okay, so we currently have 2... So we have a Renaissance era civilization here, and we have a industrial age civilization here. I say we get over here and have some fun with these folks. So the Renaissance era, that's Tundra. All right. And these guys, these industrials, are on a... Oh, it's desert. Yeah, that's a desert world. With a continental world in orbit. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Okay, we will definitely be playing around with them. Now on some of our planets, specifically here on I think Zara, we actually have some fanatic pacifists. Oh, we had them. Is it Murano? Yeah, we actually have some fanatic pacifists, or fanatic xenophiles, who don't like our native interference. So we'll probably never make them completely happy. So what are you going to do, right? Let's build us a hydroponics farm. Oh good, that's only worth 30. And then on Venezia, I need to mess with some of your stuff. Let's upgrade this building. So this is a mining network 2. Sweet. Okay, mining network 2 here. Okay, that'll give us a little bit more minerals. Yeah, we need to just go crazy town on minerals. And you know what? Just because we can't afford it. I was going to say let's go with science lab, but we can't afford it. And oh, what's this? Oh, hey, okay. The Teutonic Order would like to declare war, I believe, on Space Poland. They want to completely swallow Space Poland. You know what? Why the heck not? Vote yes. And we are at war. There we go. Their relative power is superior. Yeah, we may get in on some of these battles. These guys are equivalent. Okay. First Fleet. What's your... He's 69. I was going to say, what's your Admiral like? He's 69. He's fine. I mean, we'll lose some stuff, but that's okay. Let's wander on down to here and see what happened. No, let's wander on down to, like, the capital of the BBB. It's gonna take for frickin' ever to get down there, but that's okay. Oh, construction ships are done. And we don't really have enough minerals to do too much. Maybe like one mining station. We'll get us a little cash. That's okay. Oh, hang on. What is this? Oh, it's a Polish construction ship. I wish my construction ship could go beat up his construction ship. That'd be awesome. Move there.
Construction complete.
Yeah, what do you
System
got?
survey
Murano
complete.
has finished its construction queue. Oh, it's fine. The sewer system has been fully surveyed. Awesome. Yeah, look at that. We could settle... Why can't we just settle this? We currently cannot colonize this world. I thought for sure that we had... Oh no, wrong thing. No, yeah. I thought for sure that we had done continental, but we haven't. We have not done continental colonization. That's too bad. I thought we had. Okay. Never mind. Oops. Oops! Yeah, it's a bad oops. We gotta get over there. We gotta get continental colonization for sure. Venezia finished its construction queue. Wow, good work. Mining network upgrade. Even more minerals. Always with the more minerals. Speaking of more minerals, a construction ship. Why don't you
Anomaly found.
research that 0% failure chance? Good stuff. Construction ship, why don't you give me this mining station for even more minerals? Bronco completed the construction of a mining station. Oh yeah. So good. So good. Where's our first fleet? Hang on. Where is first fleet? Oh, they're there already. Okay. Where is the Teutonic Order's main battle fleet? Where is the Teutonic Order's main battle fleet? Hey, you guys, Space Poland, you're equivalent. I'm not gonna zip on in there unless I get backup. Hey, Teutons, where's your battle fleet? Oh, okay, we'll deal with that. What? Scientist Bartolomeo Mosinigi has leveled up. Okay. The abandoned amusement park. Everything looks, yeah. We just get a bunch of society and engineering research. Okay, that's fine.
Construction complete.
Okay, people are following me. And research. And I mean that in a good way. So it looks like we have a pretty good sized fleet. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, our fleet plus the big blue blob fleet. Okay, they're following me. That's good. Let's go here and just start beating up their stuff. And the Iroquois stuff. Oh, the Iroquois are sending their fleet too. Okay. What do you guys say? Just start beating up on his infrastructure and make him pay? I think it's what we do. Or make him come after us. That's what I say.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Hang on. Oh yeah, okay. Now, I don't think we get any experience for this, which is really too bad. An abandoned solar shield ship in orbit around this thing. The sublight vessel was built by an unknown culture and appears to be several thousand years old. One of the massive sails is a large tear where some kind of object passed through, most likely a meteoroid, which appears to have disabled the vessel. Although the technology of this ship is severely outdated, it does possess some interesting engineering design choices. So we get some more engineering stuff.
Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah, we're just gonna blow up their crap. It's fine.
Situation log updated.
I don't
Situation log updated.
I don't think we're gonna go for any of that debris. I just don't.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Construction ship. Do we have the... Yes, we do. We have the minerals. Okay. We might just finish that out. Mining stations. And other construction ship. Looks like mining stations. Go to town. Excellent.
Situation log updated.
Oh, actually, you know what? I think we are going to go and pick up some of these debris. That's what we're going to do. And first fleet is lazy. Which, come on here. See what happens. I don't know what kind of defenses they may have here. This is an... There we go. This place actually has a spaceport. Let's destroy their spaceport. And a transport ship. Hehehe. Kill it.
Hostile fleet engaged. Research complete.
Of course, we're gonna just wreck their stuff on the way. We're just gonna wreck all these these mining stations along the way, but that's okay. Rivalry. The Republic of Tendor has declared the Big Blue Blob their rival. Good work. Okay, technology researched. Arctic world. Yes, please. What do we got? Do we want... I've never actually managed to get the alien pets thing to work for me. We don't really need more naval capacity at this point, although maybe we could use it. And no, this. Okay, colonial centralization. It's too good. It's only going to take 2 years. It's fine. Let's do it.
Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged.
Actually, I'm not sure if we research this debris. I don't know if we actually get any good
System
tech out of
survey
it.
complete.
Hang on. Science ship. Galilei. What do you got? What have you? Nothing habitable, but it's not bad. So yeah, we're going to try to swoop on over here and pick something up. Not sure what exactly, though. Is this an Arctic world? Yeah, it's an Arctic world. We should be able to, that's what we're going to do. We have Arctic colonization. We're going to settle right here. We can settle this spot. It's not a bad spot. Yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. The next time we have, you know, an extra 350 minerals lying around and no mining stations to build, right? Because that's kind of where we're at right now. Although we are gaining 49 minerals a month and 1500 credits. Yeah, we're not nearing our cap, but it's something to consider. Sector, Corfu sector. Why don't you have like 100 minerals just for fun, and then like a bunch of money. Just take a bunch of money, okay? Are you making money? Is that what I saw? Oh, you're actually making money. Not much, but you're actually making money. And then let's see how Corfu is doing as a planet. Corfu's doing fine. They're upgrading. That's nice. I think they're clearing their toxic kelp. I think that's what they're doing. Oh no, okay. I can't clear this because they... Yeah, because they have control. Okay, so they are, I think, upgrading some things. Not really. I'm not sure they've built anything on this planet that I didn't build. Oh my goodness. Seriously, kids. Seriously. Now, can I do edicts? Oh, I can do edicts. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Oh, also, hey, what's our president do again? President does colony ship build cost. Oh, hey, hang on. That ends soon. Okay, so we are going to build colony ships. Or one colony ship. Two. No, we want two. We're going to build two colony ships. One to come up here and grab Zithri, and we're just going to zip it on up here and make it happen. And then the other to zip on over here and get Trium, I think it is. Yeah, it's an Arctic world. We can do Arctic worlds, right? There are two Arctic worlds in this system. Nice. Yeah, that should work, right? And then who is Arctic? Tell me we have some Arctic people. I don't think we do. Tendor, are you Arctic? No, you're not. Are you Arctic? Yes, you are. So we can swipe some of these guys. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm saying is that if we take over the Hunfiller Grand Duchy, then we can use their people to settle other places. And they're actually not that bad. Fanatic, collectivist, pacifist, whatever. I mean, they'll be conquered, but whatever. But we'll have to do that next time. So the current plan is that, like, we've just been upping our space stations. It's really just all we've been doing, and letting Space Poland go to war. Are we in a battle over here? Yeah, kinda. Tell you what, we'll let a battle happen.
Hostile fleet engaged.
We'll let a couple of battles happen, actually. What is this? The Big Blue Blob has declared the Republic of Tendor their rival. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Situation log updated.
And somebody became an admiral.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Let's finish this off. Finished off the spaceport. That should be worth some more score, right? Maybe not?
Situation log updated.
That is worth... Yep, that is worth war score. So there you go. There you go. We will... Oh, new research. We should do... Plasma thruster? So Granthium is pretty good. I'll have to research how to do it, exactly how to use it. Plasma thrusters are pretty awesome. Yeah, more chance to evade. I like it. Let's do it. Plasma thruster. So we have some positive war score in this war against Space Poland. I don't hate you, Space Poland, but you're in the way, and our big giant buddy hates you, so we're gonna hate you too. Oh, real quick, British. Hey. Oh yeah, we must be at peace. We have plus 94 opinion. Wonder if the British will join us. I still say the thing to do is just destroy the Hohenzollern Grand Duchy. Just wipe them from the map. Declare the Papal States a mutual rival, declare the Papal States a rival, so that the British Republic will have a nice, big mutual rivals bonus. And then we'll just get the British Republic into our grand unholy alliance, and that'll be really great. That will be really great. But that will have to wait until next time. Also, next time we're going to wait, Teutons. What the hell are you doing up here? Yeah, the Teutonic Order has 1.5k of their fleet up in my territory. Teutons, come play your darn war. Do your own war. Gosh. Anyway, on that note, yeah, we'll have some fun next time. But I enjoyed myself this time. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.